we're going to kick off the vertical live stream here just to see. I think I've been crashing the N8N instance all day long. And so I took the workflow and I put it on our developer N8N, and that crashed as well. So I was like, oh, it's the workflow. Surely it's the workflow. So I had my Hermes agent take a look at it. I was like, what is happening to N8N right now? And it's like, well, it looks like it's attempting to just like trim up the logs in the database. Yeah, seems like it's taking a long time to do that. Kind of strange, isn't it? And I was like, yeah, really. Tell me about it. So we had it clean up the logs and tell it not to save so much log in the log. Don't put so much log, especially for the developer one. And we're going to see if that makes it not crash, because I fed it the file and I was like, so what about this workflow would make N8N crash? And it was like, nothing. It's just that it needed to do some other cleanup, and because it was doing so much cleanup, it freaked out. I don't know if I believe that, but it's just stupid enough to possibly be real. And so we're going to go forward with what I like to call that operating assumption and attempt to use this again. So if you're new to the channel, I am JonyAush, and I do programming, I play video games, I do all kinds of fun stuff. I enjoy working on these things with you all. And so let me show you what I'm working on here. So this is a little tool called Easy Dash. It's a tool I'm making for internal use only, meaning it doesn't leave our network. So it's okay to show you guys this stuff, but this is a commission form rules tool for my wife to set up a commission list of rules and things. And as part of this, it's supposed to allow you to upload files. Okay. The file we've been uploading has been this test thumbnail from the last time I worked on this tool, and it just wasn't working for me. So when I upload it, it's going to our developer N8N instance. And the last time I did this, it crashed. And we'll see if it's going to crash again. So we should be able to see that it has, here we go. So upload files for commission rules. This is the method that it's calling here. And it's going to our toxi.zone endpoint, which is exactly where it's supposed to go. And there's the request has been truncated. Not surprised there. And we have no response yet. So we're still waiting on it to get there. This doesn't look good. I think it's crashed again already. What's up, Sombrero? Is your name Sombrero VR? Sombrero VR? Hello to you, though. How's your day going? How are you doing on this fine Thursday afternoon? It's about to be a 4-day weekend. And furthermore, The Mandalorian and Grogu comes out in theaters at midnight for some people. For me, it's at 8:30, surprisingly, which I will be going and watching, so I made sure to go live. But how's your day going? Are you also debugging horrendous code and attempting to solve stupid problems that should not be problems? I swear, I've been working on this for over a week. Not even that, since Tuesday. I've been working on this since Tuesday, and it's just the dumbest thing. Everything else that I wanted just works. School just ended. Dude, congratulations. Summer break is here. My wife just finished her college semester as well, so she's out of school. I work full-time, so there is no extended break for me. I get the closest thing, which is a Memorial Day weekend. Monday I get off because it's a federal holiday. Well, what have you been up to? What are you going to do with your time? Are you going to learn a new skill or do something cool over the weekend? Oh man, N8N is absolutely cooked. It is, yeah. Whatever I'm doing here is definitely causing it to freak out. Look at the N8N process again. It's messing up. Oh man, finally I missed 3 streams. What is up, NJ Conception? Welcome back. Play BE. What's BE? I feel like I should know that. That sounds familiar. You know, there's a game launching on the 25th. Oh, VR. Oh, nice. You play VR chat? Or just regular, just other VR games? I have a Meta Quest 2, and beyond playing the Beat Saber knockoff, I don't really use it for anything. Jeez. Hey, keyboards be like that. I get it. I completely get it. It just happens. That's what the keyboard just objects to everything you do. And MJ Conception, welcome to the live stream, my dude. How are you doing? Honestly, I don't even know if we're going to get to games today, guys, because we are working. Nah, I'm not stupid. It's the keyboard. The keyboard is messing with you. Oh man. But yeah, I don't even know if we're going to play anything today. What is it doing? So I have a Hermes instance set up on the server. Hermes is like OpenClaw. It's an agent. It's monitoring things. And I asked it, well, what is happening with the N8N instance to monitor it? What's up, Faustino? I hope I said your name correctly. Let me know if I didn't. How are you doing on this fine day? Are you debugging code as well? We are debugging an N8N workflow that is crashing our Docker every time it runs. Wow, you are running a lot of commands there, Hermes. What in the world are you doing? What's up, green guy? Hey, how you doing, dude? Welcome to the live stream. So I know school is gonna be out.
So I can't miss you, Steam.
I stream anywhere between, and this is kind of the sad part, anytime after like 4 p.m. Mountain time. So I haven't got it like down completely. But if you ever miss the live stream, you can always go back and watch the VOD. I don't take the VODs down. If you want to watch vertical or horizontal, I leave them up on the channel. I know it's not exactly the same. You got to go. See you later, Zumbaru. Thank you for stopping by. Have a good summer break. But yeah, any time after 4:30, honestly. I was a little later to stream today because I just had some housekeeping things to take care of. And in fact, I need to continue on my housekeeping journey while we are... Why is Hermes running all of this craziness? What is it doing? N8N's going to be... Oh, nope, it's down. So whatever I'm doing in this process is absolutely bricking my N8N instance. Yo, Johnny, you need to see the Minecraft server? Do I? Okay, we might jump on there in a second. What'd you do to the Minecraft server? I'm kidding. You wouldn't do anything to the Minecraft server. Would you? No, I don't think you would. So I was uploading something here. Here's my portable SSD. And then I need another tab to go put these in the right file location. There we go. Like actually, we'll jump on here in a second. To check it out. Okay. It was Azure and another person. It was Azure. Famous last words.
Can you do the Cheers Evase?
The Cheers event? The Cheers event's random. It's whenever you guys spam the chair sound effect enough. All I give myself is a random sound effects button. So I can't even guarantee to do it. You have a 10% chance of activating. The base is so cool now. Okay, I'll have to check it out. I will have to check it out. Why does Mac do that? Like, creates all these extra file type doohickeys that nobody needs. It's like, why are you doing that? Okay. Put that over there. Just gotta move the B-roll over. I did a filming gig for another business, and I'm uploading the footage so that they can get going on their end of the project. I was just filming.
Cheers, 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 cheers.
No, you have to spam the exclamation mark cheers. It's this one. That's what you type. Yeah. That's the one you got to do. And then it goes all over the place. Okay. Well, Hermes is working on whatever's happening. So while that's going on, let's jump on Minecraft and see what happened on the server. Because I could use a semi-break, a momentary elapse from working on this stupid form over here. Oh my goodness. I'm going to switch over to GLM 5.1 and have it do a deep analysis of the JSON. Exclamation point, chair, Jen. By the way, welcome to the live stream. How are you doing today? Not plural, singular. Exclamation point, chair, singular. If you look at mine, you'll see what I typed. Let's see here. Literally, you could have copy and pasted my message. Y'all are making this harder than it needs to be. Where's my D3 code? D3 code. Teeth. Okay. This is a bit silly. I know. Oh. Minecraft, why are you just in my way? That's weird. Minecraft is just insistent on displaying over other things. Wait, hold on. I generally don't have that issue with the Minecraft client itself. Nope. Minecraft's determined. There you go. You guys figured it out. Look at that. Yeah, if you spam that enough, the chair will come out and dance. Eventually. Let's see here. I need you to plan on this one. Review at, what is it? Upload. And figure out why it is causing my end instance to crash every time it is executed. Alright, let's jump on and take a look at this server here. Failed to connect to the server. Really? No. It wants me to restart this thing. I cry. What's up, Revan? We're not playing any Roblox today, my guy. I am working on some code, and then the chat wants me to take a look at the base on the Minecraft server. So we're going to take a look at that. Oh, there it goes. Somebody activated it. You got it. There goes the chair. Guys, the chair needs theme music. What theme music should we give the chair? We really got to give the chair some sort of theme music. I'm going to play with you. What's up, Azure? I heard you made some upgrades to the base. I was just jumping on to see.
If you gonna play Blocks Fruit, I can help do the Jungle Shank boss.
The Jungle Shank boss. Ooh. You did the base? That's what Green Guy said. Said that you made some base upgrades. So I'm super curious to see. Lol, lol, lol. Y'all impressed with the chair dance? Did I do good with that? Okay. Let's jump on. Fortunately, the Minecraft server is a different virtual machine than the N8N instance, so they're not conflicting. Because my stupid N8N instance is just doing weird stuff. Yeah, I have no idea why. Okay, so minor issue Notion version. That's the right API version. You picked that, not me. Creates a third copy. Interesting. Failed to connect to the server. That's my internal connection. How are you going to tell me I failed to connect to my own server internally? That makes no sense, chat. Are you guys in the server right now? I just got timed out of the server. Oh. Maybe it's not just me. All right.
I am gonna eat some bread.
Ooh. Johnny, I gotta go, but you need to see the Minecraft server. Okay, I'll check it out. What do you mean some things are bad, Azure? I was loading new chunks and it started lagging. Your server's lagging? Okay, so it's not just me. Let's see if I can get in there now. Logging in, encrypting. I believe in you, Minecraft. You can do it. Connect. Connect. I hope Cody isn't doing something to the internal server. That would be bad. And I can't really restart it right now because I'm actually transferring files to it. I have the opportunity to do the funniest thing ever right now. With no context, I'm doing something absolutely hysterical. 1,000,000 years? Dude, that's a long time. I hope that it actually doesn't take 1,000,000 years. I unironically have things to do today. Alright, well, daggum. I think I broke my server good, guys. Hang on, let me go into Unraid and see what is happening. Dashboard. Let me see if something is like blatantly on fire here. No, all the CPUs are working. Overall load is only 8%. Well, with an 11% high, but that's fine. We're using 62% of our system memory, which is within spec. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with the... What's wrong, Minecraft? I am going to... I was playing, I got kicked because of the lag. Okay. I might have to, like, go and...
I think because the mod.
The mod? Which mod? There's a few mods, unfortunately, chat. What is this? Oh. Some random thing. Let's go talk to the server, shall we? Let's see what the server thinks is going on. Let's see what we think is happening with the server. Here, I'm going to put this over here so you guys can see it. We are talking to the Minecraft server now, chat. It'll take a second. Hey, what's happening to the server? We're all timing out. It says connection timed out. Get socket option. Probably just need to reboot the server. Probably. What's up, Dead Man? By the way, I saw you joined the Discord. And you've been in the server a lot. What have you been doing on there? Whenever I like look at blue maps to see where people are in the server, you're just standing still. I was always like, what? What's he doing? Machine is up, but wait, hold on, what did it say there? What did it say? What did it say? It disappeared. Doggone it. Okay. Well, it's gonna tell me. I'm in the server! Okay. It's reading the logs. Maybe it's a logging memory issue. I'm in. Okay, y'all are in. Wow, the CPUs just jumped up. I mean, not by much. They're only at 15% total load, but still, I'm kind of surprised. I wonder if all those files that I was transferring caused that. It works? Okay. Well, we're gonna find out what happened here, hopefully. Tell me, speak to me, server. It has not stabilized yet. Java is near 300% CPU and around 3.6 gigabit resident memory with 2 established player connections that have queued. Outbound data, I'm gonna query the server over Archon, live TPS, MSPT, and the player state so we can separate server alert from clients disconnected. I've been grinding hard. I've got full netherite. I've been grinding trial chambers. Full netherite? Brother, you're the only one who's been to the nether. That might not be exactly true, but... Hey, what's going on, Laura Ferdinand? Hello. We are running status checks. Okay, is calm now. What I found. CPU dropped. Okay. Root cause. When the video put in drop zone,
You can't
schedule trigger set to seconds. Yeah, someone else killed the Ender Dragon before I could. Oh, I see. No, interval limit, meaning it was firing roughly every second. Oh. In Hammering Notion, it had 9,927 logged. Deactivate the workflow in the database, restarted in. Okay. Container up to 40 seconds, cleaning all other 46 active workflows. Okay. Edit the trigger and change it from seconds to something reachable like every 5 minutes. Okay, we'll do that. I might have been bricking my N8N instance. That's interesting. Okay, is that under this one? Yeah. It says it's enabled. Okay, let's change it to minutes, 5 minutes. Perfect. Publish. Okay, is it active? Share, duplicate. It says it's published. Okay. Server is up and accepting. TPS is healthy. I changed so that the restart uses 3 gigs, which switched the machine much better. I did not restart the lives because players are currently connected. Okay. Cool, I guess. We'll see how that goes. What's up, Anthony? Dude, welcome to the live stream, my guy. Let's see here. Yeah, start anyway. Oh, whoops. I didn't mean to do that. I'm opening a second Minecraft instance. Oopsie daisy. Want to play again? We're jumping on the Minecraft server to check out what these guys have been doing to the base. I do want to play again for sure. Let's see. I know Friday we're going to be playing more Minecraft, like just in general for the whole stream. I just wanted to see what these guys are working on today. Minecraft, I don't need 2 of you running around. All right. Dang it, Minecraft. Just do what I says. If I knew how to differentiate between the 2 of you in Process Explorer. But every Wednesday, just so you know, every Wednesday we play Roblox on stream. All right, let's take a look. It's time to inspect the base. Oh, yeah. Wow. This looks nice. It is some cool things. I hope you like it. Azure. It's okay. Food with an E. Ooh, this is interesting. Is this like a protective shrine for the dog? I love it. I love it. The dog has a protective shrine. That's amazing. Last stream was cool. Oh, thanks, dude. You carried me, honestly. I had a lot of fun because of you. Like, you showed me a really fun game. Okay, what does this say? Green guy was here. I logged off. Okay. Wait, what's happening here? For anyone who wonder why I can't name my dog, wondering why I can't name my dog. I need an anvil. Okay. What do we got going on down here? The chest room is looking good. Solid chest room. There's a random dip in the floor over here, but that's fine. Nothing really happening here. I hear a skeleton somewhere. Ooh, y'all started and took my advice with the underground. We're gonna have to do something about this. Okay, if you line up perfectly, you can look into it. An underground wheat farm. I love it.
I like sour, I like sweet. A base like this come from heaven.
It is very nice. Oh, is it multi-leveled? Multi-level farm? Oh, no, it's just like a little fishing area, I guess. Okay, that's cool too. Cool.
ALR, let me lock in.
Hey, what's up, John Godabay? How you doing today? Ooh, we got actual doors out here, and then we have something. I'm not sure how to interpret this, but it's like a little winding switchback path, I guess. You can kind of get out, look around. I like it. I like it. Definitely bringing safety standards up along the base. Let's see here. Go back up. Hey, what's up, Deadman? Okay. Somebody needs an anvil. There's just random chests around the place. This was a cobblestone generator, but I'm not sure what's happening now. Huh. The little fishing area here still looks solid. This looks clean, but they built something around it. Evade. Evasion. Let's see here. Oh, that's cool. We got little block areas here to keep us from falling off. Oh, we got a shulker boxes. Very nice. And we have the upstairs farm, which seems to be suffering from lack of refined earth. Oh, bro's about to do some enchanting, looks like. Missing block. Behold, the missing block. I did all of it. You did a great job, Azure. This is really nice. Oh, and you got like a little tree area that comes up and goes out. Oh, no, okay, now that's cool.
Be a SWAT tomorrow, we need to train.
Be a SWAT tomorrow? Like SWAT, like Halo SWAT? What are we training? We training our muscles, our reflexes?
Chocolate chip chunky chunks of chocolate chunk cookies with chocolate chips with some melted chocolate and adding an extra chocolate white chocolate chip with some dark chocolate chip cookies.
I'll take 2. Sorry, did that sound a little too fat? You play later, bro? Maybe. I'm not sure. Really, I'm working on this code today, but I did want to jump on and see what these things are, what happened here. For tomorrow, I'll let you guys figure out what we do tomorrow. Because I'll be actually on tomorrow if we want to do fishing, if we want to take, and did I pick something up? I felt like I picked something up as I walked by. If we want to go invade the nether, whatever we want to do for tomorrow. As far as today goes, I'm about to get back to my code, see if I can figure out why this stupid thing is crashing my N8N server. You'll wait. We are training for our... So Diddy can't touch it. Dang. You're keeping it...
That's a
keeping yourself safe.
9% chance of diabetes.
99.9% chance. Straight diabetes. If you or a loved one have been harmed by the super cookie and contracted diabetes, you might be subject to financial compensation. Guys, W base upgrade, honestly. Well done. That looks so sick. We might have to add like another section to it. I don't know. Do we build up or down on the base? I don't know. I kind of like the open aesthetic, but I also like building up. But we could build down too. Let me get out of the Minecraft server here. All right. So
Play build a boat for treasure tomorrow.
tomorrow we're going to be playing Minecraft. Friday is Minecraft Day. All right, so what did it say is causing my code to crash here? Root cause, build multi-part upload body.
I just get so nervy.
So nervy. Cause there's a goose honking at me. Buffer code creates, okay. Would you like me to create these fixes when we move to execution mode? Sure. Can I put you on turbo? Yeah. go for it. What's up, Real Frosty? Welcome back to the live stream, my dude. How you doing? I am working on some code here, but we were just doing a Minecraft base review from Azure and Deadman, or was it mainly Azure that did those? Everybody said it was Azure, so I'm gonna go with Azure. Base looks awesome. Base looks so cool. And we're really far away from spawn, which means that if anybody joins the server and wants to...
If I was there, I kicked the baby to the moon.
To the whole moon? Dang. You make the baby an astronaut, dude. It's crazy.
Good.
So, I am attempting to figure out why my N8N instance is breaking.
Build a boat and build a car and drives to the end. I don't know how and why, but he was cooking.
That's incredible. I want to say Logwood, say hi. What's up, Zatar? Hey, hey, hey. That is absolutely not what he said, but reading is fundamental. Oh my goodness. That's too funny. It completely demolished whatever it was that greeting. Why did it do that? It did you so dirty. Okay. Come on, easy.
The One Piece is real.
Well, what's it made of?
Pop.
Valid. The One Piece is a soda. No, it's made of bubble wrap.
Pop.
Bro, at this rate, the One Piece is going to be the friends he makes along the way. But as a fruit, it's going to be the Tamagotchi no Gachi fruit or something like that. Tamagotchi no Mi. Okay. It has made updates. Let's commit and push those. I am going to clear out the N8N instance. If you want to see what I'm talking about, let me show you. So N8N is this automation tool. Oh, that's prod. We don't need to go to prod. It's the same thing. It's just not where I'm working. So N8N is this lovely production tool that lets me run automations. And I just deleted this. So import from file. We want this guy. And it runs, I call it from the dawn.
He will said, I want to smell you feet.
Sus. Very sus. But yeah, we got the webhook. It goes and is formulated the information that's coming up, which is a file and its destination. It gets validated. We connect, and I got to make sure that it's using the right authentication here. Authenticates to Notion. It gets crunched again, then it goes to Notion, then it... This is the part that doesn't really make sense to me.
It's a very, very dangerous nuke and you might ban me for it.
Well, then don't do it. Why would you want to risk getting banned from my stream? Don't do that. All right, let's publish. So we'll get to watch this try to execute in real time. So check this out. So we come over here. I'm going to refresh this page.
Daddy, I get so nervy.
Dang. So we run this, and oh, we got an immediate error. Invalid status of pending. Okay. So that should have errored here. Success. Oh, come on. That's actually hilarious. So right about here, I'll bet you it came out with an error. Yep, there it is. So what did we have here? Bad request. Did we error even earlier? File upload content length ID. Okay, no, this worked. Upload URL. Pending. File name.
Adoption center.
Dang. Do we need to wait on this node? I just thought about something. So we fail. I'm gonna do a new chat here. We failed to upload in this workflow at upload because the file status was pending. Do we need to wait for the API to communicate that it is not pending? And then where did it actually say that it was pending? Here we go. Because it seems that we move forward and then at the next HTTP node say, get on the car, we are leaving this town. No, impossible. This isn't the car, Hermit Purple. This isn't the car. This isn't a car. Okay. Who remembers that, Batman? So then it gets to this part, and it's like, whoop, there we go. Like that. And I want you to be in plan mode. I don't want you to just change things. So it seems like it has to go up in steps, which is the strange part. It has to upload the file, then get the file, upload the link, and then attach that URL to the page, I think. But I think the overall, the feed event, I don't think such a thing exists. That would be very concerning. I will, however, consume agua. Oh, yeah. If this doesn't work, I'm just going to load up Battlefield 3 and equip a large machine gun and go kill bots. Not Battlefield 3, Battlefield 6. That's what we'll do. Battlefield 6, chat. Y'all seen Crimson Desert? Crimson Desert is crazy. It's so big. Like, it's like Breath of the Wild, but for PlayStation fans. The game is way too large. I was watching the Spiffing Brit play it, and it's just so expansive. Like, dude's like, yeah, so anyway, I fought these dudes, and then I walked into a bank and checked on my investments. What's your question? I have an answer, potentially unrelated to your question, but an answer it will remain. File bytes the upload URL that came back. Okay.
If you search it up, people in the comments including me said Wireflower TSOAHH you will be in the toilet for 24 hours. "24-hour toilet" is crazy. We gotta nerf that. That's gotta be nerfed. This will take hours, the hours of joy talking.
Can you try the mod horror mod? Is that for Minecraft? Because the only real mods we're running are server side. I saw Clueless Gaming. Those guys did something with a Minecraft horror mod. I generally don't play horror games. Unless people call something a horror game and it's like really not. Yeah. Minecraft mod. Why do we need to do literally anything after the initial upload node before the next node? We could just pass right on in.
Can you bark?
That's all I got. I hope that was enough for you. This is the part I'm really wondering about, because I think this thing is doing stupid stuff. I think it's doing unnecessary loading in between these nodes, and it could just be referencing the responses from the previous node directly in the next node without running code blocks. Dang. Did I just get good boy points?
Someone
Hold
said,
on.
not giving the recipe. Loudly crying face, victory hand, victory hand, victory hand, victory hand, victory hand, and the showed pot of blue mold, a rotten banana, blue and red mold, and rotten sausages, and more.
You know, some people just be disrespecting their kitchen like that. I tell you what. Validate extract returns item that carry both JSON metadata and the binary property file. Create file upload is an HTTP request node. It takes input, makes a post, replaces the entire item with whatever Notion sends back. What comes out is pure JSON. Binary file and the original metadata are gone. Upload file content needs both the upload URL and the binary file at the same time to put to send. If you connect the create file upload directly, the latter would receive only the Notion response. Upload no binary file. You're mistaken. But you could reference the binary file from the previous node, because that's how N works. Stupid thing. What's going on? I love gaming. How are you doing, dude? We are troubleshooting some really dumb code right now, and I thought I put this in plan mode. Doggone it. I'm arguing with the artificial intelligence. So what it's trying to say, and I kind of need this in the editor, is that there needs to be a symbolic link between these two. And what I'm saying is we don't need to do that at all. We should be able to take this guy right here and run as an expression from the previous node. Listen here, you.
My dog is eating my Mexican dinner.
Dang. Don't let him do that. He's gonna have the runs after that. Tell him no. Do not allow Doggo to eat Mexican food. Doggo and beans, probably very bad combination. You're absolutely right. No da. You don't say. I know who I am.
English or Spanish?
English.
I'm not Mexican, by the way.
Neither am I. But I do appreciate some good Mexican food, you know what I'm saying? It's the previous node that we want to go to. Create file upload. Create file upload. Dot item.
Rice, fries, and ranch.
File. Dang. Search in this YouTube Twixel. Is he a Minecraft YouTuber? Is it like body.file or something? Or like item.json.file? Oh, no. File? No. I'll have to figure this one out. structure before properly. Branch the file. Okay, we'll see how this does here. He is. Did he play the horror mod that you were talking about earlier? The next person who talks or types text has to search up, not giving the recipe, and then DM the guy, say, "Can I have it?" No, you don't. You do not have to search. Oh my gosh. Oh goodness. And everybody on TikTok, hello, how are you doing? I hope you're having a wonderful day.
Chair.
Dang, the whole chair? Okay. Merge file upload content. About create node feeds its response with upload URL ID into merge and put one merge combines. No. Ah. How do I use expression to reference the binary file from previous? Dang. Fancy say with a bunch of emojis. Incredible. We got one. I don't think he's going to share the recipe. Just watch it. I'll have to check it out sometime off stream. Take a look here. Node name first binary. Oh, interesting. All right. Let's try it. Node name first binary. Ah, so you don't have a binary file. Interesting. But whatever's before you should. Validate, extract. Let's try you. Someone out here has a binary file for me. I'm gonna find it. I found it. Hello. We got ourselves a binary file. Okay. A MIME type, and then you are just working too hard. We just need the upload URL. Go. And then what's the MIME
Just
type?
gonna use emojis because I got multiple keyboards and I'm mobile cowboy hat face yahoo horse.
Multiple emoji keyboards. It's quite a lot.
BTW, I have built a flying fast and cool car and my flying motorcycle is currently 82% done. This is in the treasure game that you were talking about? Oh, I guess I could have seen all this here. Content type, MIME type. I'm gonna go out on a limb and guess that this is supposed to go here. Okay. I'm just gonna try executing this. Provider parameters is not string binary object. So the property name of the binary data, input item or expression to access the binary data in previous node. Okay, what's the problem here? It's not a binary. You're crazy. File. There you go. File dot. I don't know. Oh, maybe this is supposed to be the MIME type. Unless it's literally just image.jpg. Okay, so yep, now we're good there. And we'll try .file. Execute. Oh, there we go. Okay, that actually kind of looks sort of correct. Valid request URL is kind of expected because it's probably passed. All right, let's publish that. If I fix this just by doing that, I'm gonna be a little irritated with this thing. I'm just gonna delete that. Say.
Publish. Say, and build a boot. Bro, flying thing is funny. Dude, the flying the flying balloon that you took me in yesterday was absolutely ridiculous. That was funny. Like, we were under the map, we were around the map, it finally killed us. That was just absurd. Okay, we got an error. We can work with an error.
In Build a Boat has created Godzilla and a giant mech creating a big explosion, and they have at least like 250 IQ for building that.
Wow. Build patch payload, update page. Okay. Cannot assign read property name object error reference node that doesn't exist. Okay. Now I've learned my lesson. I'm not going to have it work on the actual JSON itself. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to come over here and say this code is making this error. Check this out, chat. We just copy this. And then we tell it, this is the JSON input for this code. It's probably just looking at the wrong parent object. Tell me where the... Oh, did it error out? Wait, what did it actually say? Invalid request URL?
Godzilla is attacking a house and the world explodes and a robot appears and attacks Godzilla and Godzilla dies. It's in the news.
Dang. Why was that a bad request? Why is this a bad request? I don't... Okay. I'm gonna turn this off. I'm gonna turn that off. We're gonna leave that. Why... The URL is fine. There's nothing wrong with this. I'm gonna say you should be using a bearer auth with the Notion key.
Johnny isn't bad request.
I know. Thank you for believing in me, chat. Okay, so I gotta turn that on in order to see the stupid error, but whatever. Basic auth, bearer auth. Let me publish it. I need it to go through. This node does not have an issue. You have an issue. Ugh. This is the dumb part of an 8-10. Because I can't really stop it. This part here. There we go. Now I can run this code. Launch, publish.
Would Chair beat Robot and Godzilla, or Godzilla beat Robot and Chair?
You're saying like if a robot had a chair? Or have more robots? Dude. Let's see here. Who would win? Robot and chair. Godzilla. You know, I'm really not sure about this one, guys, because it's Godzilla. Like, very few things have ever defeated Godzilla, you know what I mean? What kind of a robot? Like, a Roomba? Roomba's a robot. I don't know if a Roomba and a chair could defeat Godzilla. Specifically, Anthony's robot might be able to defeat them. It's a good point. I put the poll up. You guys can vote. Currently, Godzilla is in the lead. And my other poll just isn't loading. That's great.
Gun robot.
A gun robot? So it's literally just a gun that's also a robot. Incredible. I could definitely see that working. Why does it think that this is an invalid request URL? Why do you hate me? See, so there it goes. And then we run into... Then the node after it's the one that's actually failing. This is having an issue. What is wrong with this HTTP request? It is just absolutely wrong.
It would be fun that on the MC server there would be a voice chat mod.
A voice chat mod? No, man, that's just asking for trouble. If people want a voice chat, they are more than welcome to join the Discord and voice chat there. Now it's just going to spam and take over the chat because it launched so many times. Well, that's not too bad. Bruh. What's up, John? What are you bruhing about? Why doth thou bruh?
Would you buy PS5 with donuts, a button for no school, and chair that turns into bed with a time traveler button? Cost $0, free.
So you're saying for free, I could get a PS5 with donuts, a button that disables school, and a chair that turns into a bed with a time travel. I guess if free is free, right? If you're buying it for free, then there's no, inflation's got to be crazy at that point. If you're just giving it stuff, it's $0. Insane exchange rate. Time travel and PlayStation 5 and no school? Incredible. I'll use the flying thing. I'll glitch Godzilla to under the map. Ooh, good point. Glitching Godzilla out would definitely be a practical solution, I suppose. Had not expected to use game mechanics to defeat Godzilla, but I suppose that's the only way you really could defeat Godzilla, isn't it, Chad? Okay. Exactly how does the Notion upload API work? Explain it to me like I'm 8. This is me getting really upset with how it's designed, this workflow, because I think it completely overcomplicated it. Okay. Ask for permission. Send a letter to your friend. Okay, that's a little bit too much. A special password called an API token, which we have provided. Get a temporary parking spot. And so that's the pre-signed URL, which we get. Drive your drawing there. Now you take your drawing and drive it directly to the parking spot. You don't even need your password this time. The parking spot already knows you're coming. Interesting. Okay. Therefore, tell your toy box where it is. Finally, you send another letter, and then you get another URL. So it's a 1, 2. This part here seems like it's being merged into one node. That's interesting, because I only see 3 HTTP request nodes. Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Would MRE Lovegaming 626 defeat Hater of JonyAush, or Hater of JonyAush defeat a Lovegaming 626?
I don't know, man. I think I'd win. Man, I can't see the chat. Who won the fight between Godzilla and the robot chair? The robot in the chair. So I'm really thinking that this right here, whatever it's doing, is where we are burying the lead on the upload. Because whatever we're getting back,
Robot
interest,
and
false, pending, image, request ID, which is the same thing we're using. No, it's not. Interesting. Interesting. The robot and chair absolutely won. That's good to know. I can't change the poll on mobile. That's unfortunate. It's really weird. Okay, you cannot just throw a file directly to Notion. You have to ask for the address, deliver a file, and then do that. Okay. Walk me through setting this up in N8N using HTTP nodes. I have credentials set up already. Just tell me which kind to use on which node. We're not going to use code nodes in between the HTTP request nodes. This is the part where I'm thinking something strange is happening because it thinks that the request URL that it gives me is invalid.
You're on.
How is that possible?
I hear computer noises, dude.
You hear the computer click clackies? Like you hear this click clacky? Is this click click? That's my keyboard. Let's see here. Okay. So 3 HTTP requests. Here's your mailroom setup. Cool. I'm going to move this over to the side so I can fill this out while we're doing it. I'm just going to go straight to the editor. I'm going to delete those 3 things. We're going to add an HTTP request. Okay. So first we're going to do a post to Notion files. Okay. Our authentication, predefined credential type, we're going to use Notion. Oh, Notion Upload Media API. What does that mean? I wonder if this is why we're having issues. All right, we'll come back to that. We're just going to say regular Notion API. And then the Notion account, which is what we want. Okay. Send headers. We are going to send headers. The first header we're going to send is... Oh, that's a really old version. Notion version. And this value should be 2026-3, I think. 03-11. That sounds about right. Say! You said a say with an empty value. And then we're adding a body. And then, okay. So this is where things get interesting. Body type JSON using JSON. And then this is where things get interesting. Okay. So we have, come here, why am I not typing? There we go. There we go. Name, outer colon, and then $. What's your problem? JSON person expected voice. Oh, whatever. Guess I got to do that. Why is it throwing a hissy fit? Do I just do name and then keep going? What's up, bro? Let's see here. $, JSON dot. Is it not saying? Oh, That's why.
I say this BC, I saw a short of you and the fans using a TTS command. Does that work now, or is it just changed to SAY?
TTS and SAY both work. Look up on chat. What am I looking at here? I can't see my mobile, my vertical chat. I can look over here. Bro, I have more robots. I'm not sure what I'm supposed to see. Let's see here. Actually, I can cheese it by going to the schema. Here we go. Name, title, text, context, space, example, name, example, description, text, context. This is what the space looks like. Display order. A whole burger? Incredible. Media. Oh, I really kind of got to pull this information out of the binary. Name, let's see here. $sign, JSON dot first. Binary? Nope. What's the previous node? Let's see here. HTTP request, and then first binary file. Okay. Item dot path back to node. I hate this. All. Haha. Okay, object. What's there, dingus? I should be able to reference into these things. This is really dumb. So I should be able to fill this JSON in somewhere. How am I meant to do this? Need to build the JSON body using previous node data, but having trouble writing the request to read the binary file name and such. Oh, should I just call it webhook? Am I making this harder than it needs to be? Let's see here. Webhook. Binary. Oh, I accidentally almost sent the wrong comment that will say nuke. Well, but don't do that. First. There it is. Binary dot file dot file name. Okay. Scroll back up here and look at how this is supposed to be formatted. And then we have parent. Whoops. There we go. Comma pair. Parent. And then we have type, and then page ID, and then page ID. Okay, so. Oops. Type. Excuse me. Bro, go up on chat. I don't have anything to see, my guy. There's nothing for me to see. At this point, whatever it was could have been copy and pasted. Or it didn't come to chat, which means it got filtered. One of the two. Let's see here. Page ID. Page D. And then the actual page D. Which is that. Boom. Perfect. Okay. So there we go. There's that. Now we add another HTTP request. And this one is a put. Interesting. I'm going to go back to this guy and execute it. This confirmer needs valid JSON. This is valid JSON. Leave me alone. Probably wants outer bindings, which is a little silly, but whatever. If this isn't outer JSON, or, proper JSON, I don't know what this is. There's the name. There's the stuff. What does it want? Does it want quotes around everything? Fine, we'll put quotes around everything. You know what? Okay. Go. Sometimes there's just no pleasing these programs. I hope this is what it wants. Otherwise, I'm going to be doing all this for no reason. Doesn't want an extra comma back there, does it? No, that looks exactly like what it said. Execute. Bad request. Please check your parameters. Really? Type, yada yada, headers, version. That looks just fine. What's wrong with that? Fashion, D1 files. That looks correct. I'll make a rocket and I'll go grappling and fling Godzilla. Dude, I would love to see you fling Godzilla under the map. That would be a sight to behold. Notion API, your existing credentials, which we did. What is the current Notion version? That's what I don't know. Look up the current Notion API version. Please check your parameters at execute context request with authentication. Interesting. What's up, Tom? Welcome to the live stream, my guy. How's your computer doing? Were you able to get your replacement parts?
Objection!
I have broken code. So I am working on fixing my broken code. What did it say? Yeah, that's what I thought. It's 260311. Yeah, 260311. Notion version. Yep, that looks correct. What do you want me to use? Bearer auth instead of whatever this is? Bearer auth Notion. Execute. You suck. This is right. This is absolutely right. Just my RAM. I'll make Godzilla. Oh, dude, make a Mecha Godzilla. Combine robot and Godzilla. Diagnose this. I don't know what I'm doing wrong here. This seems dumb. Name, yep. That's correct. That's correct. We'll see what it says. What's the problem? Missing the S? It has an S. What if it shouldn't have an S? Okay, there it is. There's the S. It's not missing an S. One more 32 gig of RAM is all I need. Dude, you're so close. Vanilla is using an expression in the URL. Upload URL from previous run instead of a hard-coded Notion URL. Wrong domain. No, I'm not. This is the error that came back from Notion. Did it actually like ignore my URL somehow? Add request URL. This isn't even what? It doesn't even put the URL that I requested in here. URL should be exactly one of these. This, API, Notion.com. One. Okay. Putting the fire URL. No, we're not doing that. Can you try missing piece? The song? Like play music on the stream? I'm not doing that. It's a banger. I'll have to look at it outside of the stream. Generic credential type, bearer auth. No, this isn't. There's nothing wrong with this. Add request. Please check your parameters at execute. V3 node. Process ticks rejects node internal. Interesting. It doesn't like what I sent it. Why? Interesting. And they end on basis P request. Why do you have two streams on? One is vertical for people that like watching on their phones, and one's horizontal for people that like watching on their computers. The other folks were in here. I don't know if any of them are Filipino or not. You'll have to ask them. I get enough people coming to both streams that it is worth it. And people just kind of like hanging out at whichever format they prefer watching on. Import C curl. Oh! Interesting. You can import a curl. Make mine vertical. Is yours vertical right now? Because if you go to the channel, you can see both live streams. And I put a little thumbnail on each one that actually shows like which one it is. Oh, let me get on the other one. Solid. Let's see here. Oh, I just noticed my chat isn't loading. That's weird. Hang on. Hang on a second, chat. I noticed a discrepancy in the books. What is happening here? It's coming from this one, isn't it? Why are we not seeing it? There it is! Yay! We got our chat. Okay. Problem solved. That was an easy problem. See, I wish problems were easy like that. Can you display an on-screen chat? I just did. I normally have one. I just happened to look over and see that it wasn't on for the horizontal folks. The vertical guys, I think you have an overlay from YouTube that shows up. Oh, that's what you were doing? Yeah. I normally have one. I looked over, I was like, it's not there. Where did it go? That's exactly what that space is for. Oh my goodness, chat. This is the dumbest problem ever. U1 files. Let me grab this. Copy. Here. Control it. What are you playing? I am playing roulette with an AI code generator. Hello, Nerf. How's your day going? No, I have a tool that I've written here. It's for displaying or setting up commission requests for my wife. And if you're on horizontal, you can properly see it. I mean, hello. I figured that's what you meant. And I can't. It's supposed to be set up where you can upload files. This is all using Notion on the back end to save the stuff. But my wife doesn't like using Notion, so I use programmatic access through API to just create an interface that she likes, and then it saves it all to Notion. But the file uploading is just not working. And this is N8N, which is a automation tool, and it's supposed to be handling the file uploading, and it's just not cooperating. And for whatever reason, okay, I'm looking at what it said here. Here, the error is simple. You're hitting the wrong URL. You request to post HTTP API Notion 1 files. The endpoint does not exist. The correct point is file. You son of a biscuit. This is the one you told me to use. If this works. Chat. It told me to use V files, not file uploads. When are you going to play Roblox? I don't know, dude. We're going to play Minecraft on Friday. For everybody that wants to do Minecraft stuff, we're playing Minecraft on Friday. There's been a bunch of enhancements to the base on the Minecraft server. So if you're not seeing that, or if you haven't been on to look at the Minecraft server, you should definitely do that because they did a really good job. So I don't know what we'll be doing. Maybe we'll be going on a sprint for diamonds. Maybe we'll be building up, down. I'm not sure, but we're playing Minecraft. Saturday, not sure. We could play some more Blocks Food on Saturday, do another The Most American Build of All Time run. I am enjoying that series. Let's see here. All right. This is good. Solid. W. Now we have to set up the next one. Oh my goodness, chat. By the way, chat, I got a haircut today. I don't know if you can tell. I mainly had the back trimmed up. And then this was kind of trimmed back. I don't have a laptop or computer. It's Bedrock version, so if you could play on the Switch or your phone or Xbox, PlayStation, like it's compatible with all of them because we're running Geyser, which lets anyone connect basically. If that is a concern for you. Otherwise, I encourage you to tune into chat and spam sound effects, you know? You can always make random noises happen. Nice haircut, it looks good. Thanks, Deadman. I appreciate you. I need to go to the barber more consistently so that it stays the way it's supposed to look. I've been guilty of just letting it go. You've seen it. You can actually go on my channel and see a video of me cutting my own hair from like a few years ago. It is possible, but it's a pain in the neck. Anyway, let's see here. I'm Pocket Edition. I'm not sure what that means, but if that's the one that runs on your phone, you should be able to join. Let's see here. Okay. Here we go. A JSON object upload URL. So this is where we're at. Node 2. We're doing a put. And then we're going to use JSON upload URL, grabs a node. So right here, we want this guy. Perfect. We don't need authentication. Headers, content type application. Okay, so we need to send content type. And then oh, interesting. So strictly speaking, this is where I need to jump into the binary data. This will be interesting, chat. Okay, check this out. We go $, webhook.
Just let Grok do it.
I'm using Kimmy K 2.6, if you know what that is. It's not the dumbest model, but it's not the smartest model either. File, line type. There we go. That's the content type, I think. I don't need anything else from that. Then it says body, and we're gonna send it. This will be interesting. Binary. Select your trigger. Node's binary. Okay, so we're gonna send.
I'm trying to connect MY phone to the MC server, but it won't work.
Is there an issue with the server again? Hang on, chat. This I can actually look into.
Remember, you always not alone. Hamburger.
That's really encouraging or really scary, depending on the context. And I don't do fears, so it's really encouraging. Skip. Not trying to update it. Let's see, server working. Okay. This is literally Codex running on my Minecraft virtual machine. I just talk to it and it looks at things. You know, I should just give my Hermes app the login for this to have it monitor it. It's working fine. I'm on the server right now. If you're on your phone and it's not working, I'm gonna stop this then. Check your port. I'm gonna put the server details in there again. Make sure that you're using the correct port. If you're on your phone, that means you're Bedrock. You shouldn't need to type in. Oh, then it's 19132. It's the default port, by the way. I'm surprised it's asking you for that because normally it autofills it. Okay. Binary file, input data field name. New field containing the binary file data. Okay. Which is actually this right here, just a little bit removed. So we actually just back it out to file, I think. There we go. All right. Binary webhook data. Do not send Notion bearer token here. Okay. Execute. We had an error. Can I at least see what the error is? Why doesn't it show it to me this time?
Yeah, I made it.
Yay! Options. Okay, headers redirect response. Never error. Okay. Execute. Oh my god. Why? Auto detect. Please do JSON. Can we get you to work correctly, please? And then let's get you to work. Okay. What was the response from that? Can you open? Bruh. Let me see what happened. Okay. We had an error. Invalid request URL. Even though this is the correct URL. Why? What's invalid about this?
Never give up.
Never surrender. Are you going to play Minecraft tomorrow? Yes, we are playing Minecraft tomorrow. For realsies. This is so dumb. I am going to publish this so it saves correctly. This is the dumbest of the dumb. I feel like we're back where we started. But it says it's an invalid request URL, not the other one, which doesn't make any sense. And why do I have to turn on never error in order to read this error? That's really strange. Like, why? Is it because it's a put method? Should we be posting? Almost always gives you a put URL. What if you're wrong? What if we're supposed to post this? API token is invalid. Interesting. Okay. But I didn't give you an API token incidentally. But what if I did? Notion count, execute. Validation error. Body field validation body file should be defined. Instead, it was undefined. Ooh, that's an error I can work with. So this right here, the body file was undefined. Body failed. Body.file. Interesting. Body.file. I don't know what to tell it. Like, that's definitely the file. It's sending it a binary file. What else can I send it? Is it possible to see what this thing sent in the network? Post, request, cookies, response, headers. What is it doing here? There it is.
Keep going. I hope you can do it. Good luck, buddy.
Thanks, MJ. I'm not going to give up. I'm going to do it. I'm going to figure it out. Response. I feel like it's one of these. Hey, what's up? What's up? All right, everybody. Chair's taking over stream for a brief interlude. Come here. There we go. I made it back. What's going on? Oh, what's up, Joshua? Welcome to the live stream, my guy. I know I wasn't here earlier, but the chair had to take over for a brief moment. But I have matcha green tea, flavored boba tea, because I crushed the last game. All right. Let's see what needs to be done here. So when I authenticated, it went through, but it said it didn't get the file. Body.file should be defined. Instead it was undefined, which is right here, I think. No, that's the MIME type. This is the binary file.
I'm
Input.
Face ANS. There is a dog. Is this yours?
It might be, actually. If I do file, is that gonna work?
I hope you don't get the hantavirus.
Bro, I've seen all these pictures where it's like, if your pillow looked like this, you're immune to the hantavirus. It's like just a pillow. I'm like, bro, ain't no virus gonna come get me. Dude, I didn't even get sick doing coronavirus. Like that stuff hits me and dies. In Jesus' name. So it tried to find body.file. Do I need to do body? Yo, what if because this is supposed to be a binary file, but I feel like this is not, something isn't working here. Where it's like body failed validation. Body.file should be defined, instead was undefined. Like, how does that work? There's something about this that isn't coming through. This should be the binary. Should I just do binary? Like, is that why? No, provider parameter is not a string or a binary. Object, specify the property name of the binary. Data in the input item. Use expression. Item.binary. Binary property name? Wait a minute. Hold on. Name? No. Binary. File, I guess. But then I have all these things. But I feel like it's not picking up the full file. Should I unset the dog? It's up to you. You don't need. It's up to you. That might be one of, like, an old dog of mine. It might not be. When I was occupying that base, I think I had at least one. But I don't know where it is. Binary property name. Binary.file. File name. I'm gonna see if that does anything. No. Binary file.png, but none was found. This is really weird. Because it's like, when I properly reference the file, it says that body.file is supposed to be defined. Like, should I send this as form data and tell it this is file, and then, hold on, I need to go back to binary. Form data. This seems like it might be the better way of doing this. And then the double brackets here. This is an expression sign. Thank you. $. Let's see here. Do, 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 do. Webhook. Dot first. Dot binary. Dot file. Execute. Source.on is not a function. You're tripping. What in the world does that mean? That seems like some mischief to me. I think the N8N binary file thing is not what we're supposed to be doing. But if we did raw, what does that mean? Content type. Binary. The body is literally just going to be. I should have copied it. Let's see here. $.
For some
Welcome back,
reason,
Azure.
Thinking you are hacking something.
The Matrix, honestly. Let's see, webhook. This is just regular programming, honestly. First binary file. Try that. Hey, look at that! Show data. What did it come back with? Why is it like... What did we get? It did something, but what did it do? Table. Just keep. Somebody tell me what happened. Why is it... Did it just... I feel like it just froze. I'm gonna check it over here. This thing just like break horribly.
Guys, guess who's here? The chaos.
No, it's fine.
He.
Hey, what's up, Harley Sawyer? What you doing, dude? You here to watch me break N8N? This page is slowing down Firefox? You're slowing down Firefox. I have things to do. What the heck? Well, that's lovely. I returned such a staggering amount of data that it was unable to even comprehend what I'm sending it. That's incredible. That's just incredible. Is anyone going to go see The Mandalorian tonight? Mandalorian and Grogu. I'm actually going to go see it here in about an hour. They pushed midnight releases.
Technically, if you connect to the game, it should TP.
You know what? Let's try it. This is irritating me.
Dolphin, cat, dolphin, cat, dolphin, cat, dolphin, cat, dolphin, cat, dolphin, cat, dolphin.
Bro, are dolphins just the cats of the ocean? I actually think they are. Like no kidding. And are otters just the cats of the river? What's the house equivalent of an otter? I don't even know. Harley, you missed it. The chair completely took over the live stream earlier. All right. When I connect to the server, I might have a dog teleport to me. Let's find out. Oh, something barked. Doggo. There's this dog, but that's not my dog.
Otters are river cats.
There he is!
Can you TP me PLSSS?
Yeah, we can do that. TP. Who are you here? Oh, there you are. Duh. I heard a bat. There he is. He's the goodest boy. Chat, what do we name the dog? Can I put the name tag on the dog?
Some bamboo. Artist palette, artist palette, artist palette, artist palette, artist palette, artist palette, artist palette.
Am I stupid, chat? I feel like if I left click, it's gonna hurt him. Bob? Am I ridiculous? Shouldn't this be applying the name tag to the dog? Oh wait, no, you need an anvil for that. Hold on, chat. Hold on, hold everything. Wait, there's a zombie! Zombie in the fort! Zombie in the base! Hold on! No! Rest in peace, young homie.
Get a bill.
Yeah, I need an anvil. Alright, so the base is not zombie proof. We learned that one the hard way. Let's see here. Do we have an anvil down here? Do we have any iron? We have all these chests. Surely there must be enough iron to... The heck? Okay, there's some raw iron. We can work with this, chat. We can work with this. This is not going to be enough iron. But we can surely try. That's a problem. We're gonna need some iron. It's coal. Well, that'd be a coal, I guess. Slap that in there.
There is a dog place.
Oh, that's true. Let's see here. Whoop. What are we looking at? Oh, you guys have been busy. It's down here. Oh, there's some iron. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I hear suspicious things down here. Why do I have just so many things in my inventory? Do you guys have villagers trapped down here? Because it sounds like you do. No, is there like a witch down here? What do I hear down here? It sounds like there's an invisible traitor. Okay. Nobody needs rotten flesh. Get out of here. Ooh. Oh, this is unfortunate. Zombie behind you. That. You know, W call out. I'm not a excellent call out. Unfortunately, arrived too late to save young homie, but W, at least you tried. Welcome to the live stream, Yaka Gaming. We arrived too late to change things, but at least we avenged them. Am I right? Oh my goodness. This probably still isn't going to be enough iron to make an anvil. I'm going to need a lot. I swear, I just hear all sorts of things happening up there. Where'd my dog go? Oh, you got it into the doghouse. Okay, cool. I haven't been up here yet, chat. Azure home. I love it. Look at you, Azure. Glorious. Guys, if only I had read chat sooner, I might have seen the zombie. Yeah, I'm gonna need 3 blocks of iron, and I have hardly any. And I have but 2, and not even a whole lot on top of that. Why do I just have the most randomest things in my inventory? Be gone. The slime ball seems important, but be gone. Be gone. Smooth stone. Be gone, be gone. Okay. Wait, I have chests in my inventory. Get it. And gravel? Why do I have gravel?
Tomorrow I should make myself a home.
Yeah, you should. These things just randomly appear. So we need more iron. I'm gonna carefully not. Did I pick up something? I have 40 lapis azure. Was that? Okay. Oh, oh, oh. Oh. What do we have here? Blocks of iron. Let's go. W. Okay. We need those. And then now we can do anvil. All right, let's do 2 anvils. W. Should I put the rest of the blocks of iron in here? Dead man, should I put the iron back? I actually don't even remember how shulker boxes work. I'll be keep it a whole stack. Keep it? Okay, solid. Thank you for your contributions,
We
sir.
should have a sheep farm for wool.
There was such a thing. But Bob. Alright, chat. We are going to name Bob. Where is he? Bob, the goodest boy. Look at him. Look at him. He's amazing. And then we could breed Bob with this dog over here, and we'll get more puppies. It's gonna be great. To make beds? Yeah. I think we cheesed. You can have the shulker? Okay. I've never used shulkers before. You guys take it. I don't know. Oops. I didn't mean to take that. Can you stack anvils? Or does that create problems? Like, can you put one above it? Can you do that? Is that... Is that just not the way that should be done? You should take one too. Oh. I don't
So
know
we
how
have
these things
another
work.
Namo tag.
I just gave myself one. Okay. Minecraft therapy is done. Back to programming. Ah! Okay. So it did something. Whatever I did here did something, but it's not telling me what I did. I'm going to refresh the whole page. Which is really, really, really frustrating. Okay, we're going to name this HTTP request node. What is it?
IGTG
Post.
sleep.
You have a good evening, Zeta. And we'll probably see you tomorrow, dude. Have a blessed night. Post to Notion upload. And then this one, this stupid thing. Put to Notion upload. And then this last one here. HTTP request.
Goodbye. Easy, 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 easy. Easy.
This is the last one. Okay. All right. Create Notion page with file. The Notion of the file is parked. Please move it to my page. Okay. So this is post file info to page. This is a post.
I will probably be here tomorrow. I love Minecraft.
Sweet. Sure did. See, that doesn't even look. URL for resuming wait mode. What does the JSON look like? Should it? Why is this hard? Workflow. This is really weird. You're heading out, Harley, sorry. Thank you, my dude. Have a good one. This is really weird. It's just being laggy. I don't know if it's like, if it comes back with the craziest string or something. Like, is there a reason it's acting like this? Stop. No one in reload now. Okay. So this URL is supposed to be post new page or patch update existing. So this should actually be. Well, shouldn't you always call post whenever you're sending data? Like, it doesn't make sense to do all this crazy jibber jabber. I don't know the appropriate time to call a patch command. I didn't even know there was such a thing. Like, I see these things on the list, and I'm like, oh, that's old web. Like, we don't do things like that on the web anymore. But maybe I'm the one who's wrong. I don't know. Clearly something is or is not working. Can I please edit the page? Patch. We're going to patch an existing one. Okay. Kind of need to execute previous nodes. I'm coming to your house tonight. Concerning. How would you achieve that without kneecaps? Live sounds coming from your toes.
Objection!
Don't be creepy on the live stream. So I really do need to know which. Do I need to pass the page data? Is that how I do it? Because I'm not uploading it to the page, I'm putting it into a file property. Just kidding. I figured so.
Objection!
He was only kidding, Your Honor. He didn't mean it. You ever use N8N Earl Josh? I'm going to do an airstrike. Who are you airstriking? If you could airstrike one person, who would it be? Let's see here. Existing page. JK, I'm more like the only one in your stream. There was a bunch of people that were just here, and I think a few of them had to go to bed or something. So yeah, it's happening. Bum, bum, bum. You do any programming, my guy? I am debugging an N8N workflow for a website that we use internally. It's kind of peaceful here, unlike other streams. Dang. What other streams do you go to? Are you in the horizontal or the vertical chat? Because there are two. In either one, there are chat commands you can use if you're interested. There's !say to let you use the text to speech. There's !RNG, which fires random sound effects. There's !LOL, which makes a laughing noise. There's all kinds of stuff you can do. There's a chair sound effect. The chair sound effect has a 10% chance of triggering a chair dance, which automatically takes over the stream. They're literally shouting when I join. Crazy. Shout for why? We're here for the chill vibes, you know? I suppose I should introduce myself. I'm JonyAush, and I play video games sometimes, but only for an hour when I'm playing with you guys. And I do graphic design, thumbnail design, video editing, all on stream. Today I am working on some code. This code has been fighting me, or I've been fighting it, for the better part of this week. Azure! You triggered it on the first try! Dude! W chair dance. Look at him go.
Objection!
That's crazy. They were trying to start it at the beginning of the stream, and it took them a while. I've seen John get timed out from YouTube spamming it so many times. We gotta come up with some music for the chair dance. Finally, another streamer. Okay, so URL is Notion pages page name. Okay, so expression should be Shiji. Let's api.notion.com v1 pages, and then we got to go back to our first node here. Sign that quotes webhook, and then we're gonna go first JSON body page ID. Nailed it. First try. Oh, you got too many exclamation points. Yes, one exclamation point, no spaces, chair. That's also how you do like text to speech and all my other commands.
Objection!
You got to use no spaces. Whoa. Let's see here. To fix this, build patch payload node. Okay. That's correct. Okay. There he goes. He found it. He found the chair command. That's a chair. Do I need to authenticate at all? Author's Notion API. Okay, yes. So predefined Notion API. Use that one. Okay. Headers. We are doing headers. We're doing Notion dash version and 2026 dash 03 dash 11 is the Notion version. and then children file upload, and then node one name JSON.id. Interesting. Okay. So send body JSON. I just accidentally fell off my chair in IRL. Are you all right? The fact that you're typing to me tells me that you're probably okay, but please promise me that you're like you're okay. IRL, dude. Like, tell me you're okay. Like, you just let me know that you're not hurt. Because I've fallen out of a chair in my day, and some days you don't land so softly. You good? I am waiting to hear back from you. Yeah, you're okay? All right. Now we ask that you don't do that again. Although that's actually hilarious. You fell out of your chair playing the chair sound effect? Dude. That's legendary. I'm gonna tell stories about that. That's funny. I don't care. I don't care who you are. That's funny. Oh my gosh. That's actually. Oh man. All right. So our body is, if it's an image, change type to image. Okay. Yeah. We got name is children. Oh, using fields? No, let's use JSON. Let's use proper JSON now, shall we? Proper JSON now, innit? And see here, we got these. And then we got these quotes. Wait a second. Hold on. Expression. This is an expression. That matters. Okay, here we go. Children. In square brackets, see here, curly braces, and then more quotes, type. What did it say about type? It's kind of an image, I do believe. Image, comma, and then we got file. But that's lowercase f. Bro! What's up, Anthony? I'm going to bed so I don't fall off again because I got no school today. Dude, get your rest. You're done? You finished the Godzilla robot? Fire. There we go. The type. This one is file. Upload now. What's there? And then inside file, upload. Bro. Yes, bro. Yeah. Dude, he finished it. He finished the legendary Godzilla mech. Join you? Okay, we'll jump on here in a second. I gotta test this out and then hey now I see here. Thank you. Get quotes in this stupid thing. I have something that's like messing with my quotes. It's literally morning in my country. Dude, I am actually surprised by how many like people tune into the stream that are absolutely not from the US, which is perfectly fine. Like, I love it. Node one name webhook dot first dot JSON dot ID. No. Is it from the workflow? What ID is it telling me to get here? And file to image. Oh, And so instead of type files, it's supposed to be type image. Hey. Okay. Hurting this part. What ID? Where does this come from? Which HTTP request mode? Why are there so many stairs? You're gonna have to ask the construction people on that one, big dog. Okay. Previous nodes fields. To close out of that. Let's see here. Here, let me change it. Doggone it.
Why? Why is it like this, chat? Why does it hate me?
I know why I know why it hates me too. I know exactly what it is that I need to change. Come on. The things that we have to suffer and wait through to make automations that do things faster. It just takes so dang long for no reason. Why are we freezing up here? This is the stupidest problem to have. And I'm not even sure if this is a... Okay, I'm going to come in here. I am going to turn that off. Go away. I think that's what's causing this. I need to do that. And we're going to do that. Now what? Why is there a bad request now? Body field, body file should be defined. It is defined! It's right here! Doggone it. We just did this. I just fixed this. Didn't I though? Thought I did. Finally, I'm in bed. Okay. I will join you, Anthony. I will join you. We had fixed this. It wasn't giving me errors anymore. But I feel like this reverted. Type binary, yeah. Didn't we? Yeah. Didn't we do it as form data? I didn't do that. Dang it. Name. File. And then I just need to copy this, honestly. So that it stops being an issue. $sign. Me and my brother, which in the same room watching you. Hello to Earl Josh's brother. Hope you all get some good rest tonight, honestly. First, that's binary. There we go. And then I think I have to do that file. Yeah. Copying this so I don't have to do it later. Cannot read properties of undefined reading object. You stink. Yo, Nevin! Welcome back to the stream, dude. I am debugging a really dumb N8N automation workflow. It's right there. It's not undefined. You suck. It's morning. Yeah, because you all are up super late. Understandable. Remember. What are we doing today? I am working on an internal tool So this is a artist commission submission form for my wife, and I'm making a file upload feature for it. And the service that I'm uploading it to is just being a pain in the neck about sending the file to it. And we also got Earl Josh and his brother in the chat, and we also got Anthony, who's waiting for me in Roblox to show me a giant Godzilla, I believe, that he made, or a giant robot that would defeat Godzilla, one of the two. And then this thing is just being a problem. I thought I fixed this.
To stop by. See y'all. Hope you get through.
Thanks, Nevin. Have a good one, dude. Enjoy work. Content type. Body. Boom. Execute. Body.file. I hate. What if I did? File. Execute. Nope. Why is it undefined? I feel like this is perfectly valid JSON, but this right here is being a problem. Bro, you have Roblox? Yeah, I do play the Roblox. Anthony wants to show me something and build a boat. I should probably just jump on that because I'm about to go see The Mandalorian and Grogu here in a few minutes. I live right next to the theater, so I can get there in a few seconds, but I don't want to waste people's time. I should have done that from a different section, shouldn't I? Hold on. Hold on, everybody. I go to, where's the party? Anthony. Profile. Join. There we go. I figured it out. Chat. Well, TikTok just shut down my stream, but that's fine. You guys in YouTube are still with me. Mother Bertha joined me. Yahoo! Yes. Okay, what do we got? Let's take a look. Oh, snap. It's Mecha Godzilla, chat. Dude. Oh my gosh. I love the tail. Does the tail like shoot lasers or something? It looks like it does. You actually have it. Of course I do. I'm like falling off of his skateboard here. Dude, look at this thing. Does it move? Or is it just for show? Because I know some of your stuff actually like walks and stuff. Dude, let's launch. Are you sure you want to launch your boat? Yes. Look at it go. You know, it would go really hard if it made like the roar noise. That would be so funny. Oh no. No. Well, I'm done. It's alright. Bro's gonna keep going. Dang, you died too. Unfortunate. W boat though. Actually W boat. The only reason we died is because I fell off. We're gonna try again. Bro, I play Build-A-Boat too. I just found out about this game like yesterday. Or like somebody in my chat told me about it, but I didn't really wait, what? What? How do I what? Chat. This man's genius. This man is a genius. Incredible. We're going to tip over. Maybe, we'll see here. This is incredible. Columbus wished he had this technology when he sailed. This could take us all the way, chat. I don't know where that is, but we're going there. Dude, rocks mean nothing to this thing. I say, I have no idea if this is true or not. So, what happens when we get here? Do we just... Oh, okay. This is the furthest I've ever been, chat. Look at all the clocks. This is interesting. Boom. I just built a raft. That's kind of what I tried to build. It didn't work out very well. Bro. Oh, snap. Are you, like, actually steering him? That's crazy. Those are some big butterflies. What in the world? Johnny, I'm back, green guy. Look, it's Mechagodzilla. It's got me in the claw. I'm trapped. Not really. I chose to be here. What is that? Oh, it's like an arcade. Okay. I get it. Oh my gosh. They're attacking us. What? Dude, Mechagodzilla does not care. Yeah, I'm pretty new to this game too. Anthony is the expert here. Oh, that's cool. It's like a little painting art room. Cool. Little studio. Surprisingly, it reached to the middle before I died. I feel like it's just one of those things. What's this next one? Is that a kunai? This looks like a ninja one. Bro, why is Mechagodzilla the best boat ever? We couldn't get anywhere on the... Is that actually our Mechagodzilla over there? What? Did they copy us? What is that? Can you try tab? Doesn't let me join you. I don't know. Oh, it's because I joined Anthony, that's why. So this isn't my session. I'm at TSB. Dang, they destroyed the tail. What? It can actually be destroyed? Yo, that's crazy. Yo, I think I died. I'm just like being pushed along by it. Or like my hair popped off or something. Oh my gosh. Oh, it was the other Godzilla? Okay. Oh no! Oh no! I'm dead. Wow, we made it really far. Dang, we got 64 gold from that. Holy cow. And 2 chests or something? 3 chests? Dang. Can you try it though? Let's see here. Dude, that was crazy. I am gonna jump off though. I do want to take one more stab at this thing that I'm working on. So body.file should be defined, instead was undefined. Why? Body is clearly right here. Do you need me to like put in here that this is a file? Like, do I need to come in here and do JSON or something? Like, I don't see why this is such a problem. Input data field name. File. I don't know, dude. Operation expects node input data to contain binary file, but none was found. Okay, what if I do file that as an expression? There's node containing binary file, object, but none was found. Item 0. Okay. What if I do file like that? Because like it shows up as an object, but I don't think that's the actual binary. I feel like that's the binary. And if I do that, provided parameter is not a string or binary data object. Well, what is it? What is it then, huh? Why don't you tell me what this really is here, is it? Because it's definitely an object. There it is. So, file. And then if I do this, you're gonna say that. Now what? You're not even gonna show me what it did? Yeah, I know. Bro, what's next? Next? Oh, next? I don't know, dude. My brothers are having a pillow fight. Dang, dude. Don't get caught in the crossfire.
Objection!
Don't get caught in the crossfire. Oh, he did it. He did it on his first try. Look at that. The chair has taken over the live stream, everybody. W chair dance.
Johnny, it's me, Roshan.
Hey, Roshan. Welcome to the stream. Can you try TSB? Not on today's stream, gang. Not on today's stream. We are going to be wrapping up our dev session here, and then I gotta run out. Yo, dude. W sound effect.
Objection!
You did really good. Why is it only playing objection? Y'all notice that? Now, I literally have a button that only plays random sound effects. Sometimes the jokes just write themselves. I know. Chair. Ooh, a chair. Dude, do the strongest chair. The strongest chair. We'll have to look at it at another time, but that would be really cool.
Super tag, it's super good.
Super tag? Okay. Is that what TSB is? Or TSB sounds like totally something simulator or something. Roshan, why won't my N8N calls work correctly?
Play Roblox.
Bye, Roshan. Have fun. Win big games. I swear it just had an error. So it's erroring, but it's not showing me the error. That's the problem. If I say include response headers. Come on.
Super tag is a tag game.
Interesting. I'm going to turn off response. Excuse me. That makes sense. This is so dumb. It's like wigging out and not showing me the error either. Why are you like this? The strongest battleground. Oh, that got an update recently. I see why he wants me to play it. Yeah, we'll have to look at it. Why does it keep? Please check your parameters. Yes, I know. I know. You don't see the binary file. Oh, I'm about to jump off, big dog, but I do appreciate you hanging out. This is so dumb. It doesn't see the binary file, or like whatever it sees, it doesn't see it as something. Because it's lowercase binary. Do you want uppercase binary? No. You're just being stupid. This is literally what it should be. Back to list. Why can't I drag and drop this? You know what I mean? Like, just get over there. It's not how it works. What if instead of first, I did all? What do you think about that, chat? Where's my cursor? What if we did all? All. It's after that. Getting caught in the crossfire. No! Join, merge, pluck, random, reduce, reverse, slice. What is all this? Okay. All. We have array, JSON, headers, host.
BTW Johnny taggers in Super Tag have a colossal hitbox.
Oh. Good to know. Here's all. Huh. 0.
How crushed don't you even have a human heart?
I don't know. Okay, so all it's the same thing as first, unfortunately. So there's the binary. But it really seems to me like binary dot file. Yeah. 0. And then you have like file dot ID, name, file size, mod type. But we want the whole binary, which I should be able to pull up, I really think. That's EM. I can try to unplug anything there. All good though, it seems. Is a peaceful stream W Re0 reference? We bringing up the deep anime in this stream. Okay, so if I go to schema, webhook, Rams body. Can I find the binary file in the body? Doesn't look like it. This is so dumb. I'm gonna have to look this up later. This is definitely... It's one of those things where I really think the AIs are giving me past accurate information. Meaning this was the way that this could have worked in the past, but it's not currently how it's supposed to work because tools have upgraded. And that's what this feels like. And that's really, really frustrating. But whatever. I will figure it out eventually, chat. It cannot escape me. I am persistent and determined and all these other things. But I need to go watch a tiny little green man fly across the galaxy with a heavily armored man. So I will catch you all in the next stream. I have been JonyAush. Thank you, everybody, for tuning in and just hanging out with me. If you subscribed or thumbs up the video, I especially appreciate that. Thank you so much. And I will see you all in the next one. And that's not the button I wanted to click because that doesn't do anything for me.